أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم SILA 2020 plans CSS 20 weeks PMS 20 weeks Judiciary 20 weeks M English 20 weeks IELTS 10 weeks Creative Writing 10 weeks Life Skills A1 4 weeks English MDCAT 20 days Interview 20 days Day-to-day English Conversation 100 hours OA levels 16 weeks. Skill to read the Holy Quran 100 days. Translation of the Holy Quran 30 weeks.
Young scholars, who are you? I'm sure your concept of model is clear right now. Example of any model, please. Everybody will give one example.
Be able to.
Had to.
Can. Have to.
Used to, is going to, was going to. And we have done all these things now. We are going to discuss one more model. And we shall keep adding models now if you perform well. I want to write something on the writing board. What should I do?
You should uncap the
Love
marker.
you, my son. I should uncap it. Very good. I should change my position. If I don't change, I won't be able to write anything on the writing board. If I don't take my hand close to the writing board, I won't be able to write anything on the writing board.
You should think about the.
Very good. I should think before that what to write. I should find some idea or it in the mind. Firstly, I should be very clear. I should ensure clarity in my mind to know what to write. If I don't do so, I won't be able to write anything.
You should erase the writing board.
Very good. I should erase the writing from the board.
Yes, sir.
I should clean the writing board now.
Yes.
If I don't clean it,
You won't be able to write clearly. on the-
very good. Otherwise, love you, my son. If I don't erase, I will be able to write, but I won't be able to write clearly with clarity in a way that you can understand that. Love you, my son. आज पैसे पूरे हुए बड़ा हाँ साढ़े ने हाँ जी
You should move marker on the board.
I should move the marker. If I don't move the marker, I cannot write because this is the movement of the marker which ensures lines, etc.
You should write new format.
Mr. Mushtaq says that if I want to write, I should write the new format. It's a good idea.
You should use different markers.
I should use different markers now. I should keep the level of the students in mind.
You should hold the marker by specific angle.
Very good. Loves you, my son. देखिए कितनी प्यारी बात इसने की है. You should hold the marker with some specific angle. With specific angle. If I don't hold the marker with the specific angle, I won't be able to write. Specific angle. Very good bit. What do you want to do in your life?
I want to be a good daughter.
She wants to become a good daughter. What should she do?
She should obey her parents.
If she wants to become a good daughter, she should obey her parents. What shouldn't she do? She shouldn't disobey them. She shouldn't forget the culture norms of the society. She shouldn't do anything which can embarrass them. She wants to become a good daughter. What should she do? What shouldn't she do? Please.
She should do her work on time.
Very good. She should do each work, each activity on time. And the thing which she shouldn't do.
She shouldn't waste her time.
Very good, beta. She shouldn't waste her time. If she wastes her time,
She won't be able to become a good
good
daughter.
daughter.
She should follow the sunnah of Holy Prophet. She shouldn't misbehave her parents.
She shouldn't misbehave with anyone. I want to explain the lesson now with clarity. What should I do? What shouldn't I do? Please.
You should give example. You shouldn't use a harsh word.
Love you, my son. I should give the easy examples. I should give the examples in an easy way. I should give examples in as simple words as possible. First. Second, I shouldn't use harsh words. I shouldn't embarrass the student. I shouldn't insult anyone. I shouldn't forget the nature of the student. I shouldn't forget the environment these students live in. Love you, my son.
You should speak slowly.
I should speak slowly.
And you shouldn't confuse the student.
नहीं तो मैं दो काम करे ना.
Well,
Very good, but very good.
You should understand the problems of students.
If I understand the problems, I will be able to explain the lesson with clarity.
You should engage students.
Very good.
In the talk,
Okay?
and you shouldn't allow students to use mobile.
Okay. Thank you. I want to maintain my health.
You should drink the pure water.
Very should. I should drink the pure water. Ji.
You should take healthy foods.
You should take exercise every day.
You should walk.
I should walk regularly. I should develop the habit of walk in the morning, in the evening.
You should add vital nutrients to your diet.
Excellent.
You should be positive towards the
Very
everything.
good. I should be positive towards no others. I should develop no positivity in my mind. Simple. Agar main कहना, you should die. You shouldn't visit Silla again. No, that shall be the proper answer. I think. You should leave right now. For God's sake, you should leave right. We shall discuss it tomorrow, inshallah. Again.